Hey y'all, good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. Welcome to Coping Today. This is a series that I just started on yesterday, so I want to make sure that you all, of course, knew what was going on, that this is going to be taking place. A Coping Today session will be taking place every morning, Monday through Friday, but sometime between 6:45 and 8 a.m., just to let y'all know. So I want to welcome y'all to this video. Like I said, today we're talking about belonging, just to let you all know, because I know during this time of COVID, during this time of isolation, during these times of just all the stuff that's going on in the world today, there's all types of people who, of course, want to belong somewhere, trying to find a tribe, trying to find friends, online groups, community, that kind of thing, to, of course, fit in, to, of course, be able to connect with folks, to be able to love folks, to be able to of course, chat with folks and have relationships and that kind of thing. Just keep in mind that you can get that online nowadays from anywhere. There's no reason why you cannot belong anywhere in anybody's group, as long as you're willing to participate on a daily basis or a weekly basis or however much your time allots. Like I said, we definitely all want to make sure that we belong somewhere. And like I said, I know during these times with all our families, all the stuff that's going on, all the grieving that's taking place, all the like I said, losses and all the hospitalizations and all those types of things, we all want to find some place to belong. Just keep in mind that I'm sure there's a lot of groups online on Facebook. I'm not sure where else, but I know, well, Facebook is one. Of course, that's one of the major resources that I will, of course, guide you all to let you all know that there's a lot of groups on there. Of course, I'm not going to give you any group names. I don't know. I'm actually going to be creating a group soon, in the next month, actually, myself. But like I said, there's other groups online that specifically talk about just specifically grieving during COVID or coping during COVID, different things like that, that you can, of course, involve yourself with. So like I said, definitely, I know that we all, of course, as humans, we don't want to be solitary and that kind of thing. And this actually talks to our seniors as well, because I know our seniors are usually left out of the picture when it comes to creating things as far as communities and groups and having activities and doing all these things. So just keep in mind, seniors, that I'm sure there are some online groups for you all as well that you all can be a part of. And some of those groups may be, of course, like your local community centers and that kind of thing. Now, I'm saying that because I'm not sure what's going on during COVID, whether these community centers are actually open or what's happening, that kind of thing. But definitely, like I said, just reach out and figure out what you can find out as far as finding your place to belong. Because like I said, at times as humans, we all want to belong somewhere. We don't, like I said, we don't want to be left alone or solitary or forgot about, or because we're the strong person in the family, nobody thinks about us and calls us or checks up on us, that kind of thing. Just keep in mind, you can always find community to do that with, even if it's not your family or friends or that kind of thing that's doing it with you. Like I said, it's okay. Like I said, we can always find our tribe somewhere in this world. I just want to make sure that you all knew that and understand that this morning. I also want to say a few more things in the B category besides belonging. Just make sure that when you're going throughout your days, I know we used to have random acts of kindness and all those kind of things, and you can definitely bring that back and, of course, bless somebody else. Just keep that in mind. I understand all the things that's going on today. I understand that. And I, of course, been sick myself and that kind of thing recently, so I understand what's going on and how it can take a toll on your body, your mind, and your soul, and that kind of thing too. But just keep in mind that once you get better, and once you're, of course, able to get back out in the world and start back to work and doing all those things, make sure that you understand that you can always be a blessing to somebody else as well. Whether that's just giving somebody a note saying that they're on the right track, that they're doing well, that you love what they're doing, that you see them, that kind of thing. Or whether you want to send somebody a text message, just let them know that you're thinking about them. Like I said, there's all kind of ways that we can be a blessing to others in this world as well. So I just want to make sure that you all knew that before I got off this video. Like I said, definitely, I know that times are hard and times are tumultuous, times are crazy. But like I said, we can always be a blessing to somebody else, y'all. Just keep that in mind. And like I said, once you find that community, once you find that belonging, the place that you want to be, I guess I put it that way, the place that you want to spend your time as far as getting to know other people, building those relationships with people online and stuff like that. Like I said, you can check out Facebook first, because I know they have a lot of groups on there. I know there's meetup groups and that kind of thing as well. Some of those have moved online too. So like I said, keep that in mind, just to give you some insight that you can, of course, find places to belong during this time of COVID. Like I said, there's no reason why you cannot, but you just have to look for them. Like I said, they're definitely out there. And like I said, besides the belonging, make sure that when you all are moving out in the world, and whether you're at the grocery store and you hear somebody talk about they need 10 cents, if you have 10 cents, give the people the 10 cents and be a blessing to somebody else. Like I said, there's no reason why once we get our health together, once you get back out in the world, and once you, of course, are moving and shaking and stuff like that, we have to start being blessings to everybody else. Like I said, at this time, at these crises and all this stuff that's going on, we're still having police brutality. We're still having all the other stuff, fires, tsunamis. We're still having all these issues going on in the world. Like I said, the least you can do is, especially if you're able to breathe every day, is to be a blessing to somebody else. No, it don't take money at all. You can, like I said, tell somebody that you see them, that you see the work that they're putting in. Just give some positive affirmations and some positive words if that's all that you can afford. You don't have to give any money, cash, clothes, shoes, especially if you don't have enough for yourself and your family. Make sure that you're taking care of your family first and foremost. But anything extra that you may have to, of course, afford somebody else, to give to somebody else, like I said, the words of encouragement, people need that every single day. So definitely, like I said, be a blessing. So with that, I want to say thank y'all for tuning in. I hope everybody's doing well. Make sure that you remember these things as you go throughout your day-to-day. I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next morning video. Take care, y'all. Have a good one.